Welcome. If you want to change log method in your ULEFONE Power 3S, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and enter security. Click on a screen lock and maybe we can change it for the pattern. So click on the no thanks right here and draw your pattern. Click on the continue and draw it once again. Right now we can manage notifications. I'm gonna leave it with the don't show notifications at all. And right now we can check how it works. And yes, right now we got our new log method. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.